Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophies was born from complete financial ruin? Zeno of Citium was sailing from Cyprus to Athens, his ship loaded with purple dye worth a fortune. Then disaster struck. A violent shipwreck destroyed everything he owned. Stranded and penniless in a foreign city, Zeno wandered into a small bookshop. There, he heard someone reading about Socrates. The words hit him like lightning. He asked the bookseller where he could find such wisdom. The man pointed to a philosopher named Crates walking by. Zeno immediately became his student. For years, he studied under different teachers, developing a revolutionary idea. What if losing everything wasn't actually a loss? What if it was the greatest teacher of all? Zeno realized that wealth, reputation, and possessions are nice to have but never necessary for happiness. External losses become gains when they show you what truly matters. The school he founded became Stoicism. His shipwreck became philosophy's greatest gift to humanity. Sometimes losing everything's the only way to find what you really need.